Hello everyone, welcome to Mary Muffets, Gill. I volunteer as a science teacher at Mary Muffets, Gill. Today we are here to do simple and easy experiment that is called conduction heat. First let us see what is the heat conduction. Okay, in simple terms, heat conduction is the movement of warm or heat from one object to another. So when we have two objects with different temperatures and they come into contact, we can observe heat or thermal conduction. Some of the popular thermal conductors are copper, aluminium, silver and gold. These are the best thermal conductors. Some common insulator materials are glass, plastic, rubber, air, wood. These are the thermal insulators. Where we will use thermal insulators are, thermal insulators are widely used in home insulation, clothing and cars to keep warm. We can also find them in freezers, refrigerators and thermos to keep things cold. As I said earlier, today we are going to see which material is the best conduction of heat. Let us start the experiment. Materials needed for experiment is hot water and one bowl and 3 spoons. One is made with wooden, one is made with plastic, one is made with the metal. Okay, let us start the experiment now. For this experiment you need adult supervision. We are going to do with the hot water, right? So you need adult supervision. Let us start the experiment. And also along with the these three spoons, we need 3 peppers and butter. If you don't have peppers, use beads, lightweight beads. Okay, let us start the experiment now. Let us start the experiment. I said earlier what are the materials needed for the experiment, right? Like butter, wooden spoon, plastic spoon and metal spoon and peppers and hot water. Let us start the experiment. First let us see what is the conduction. Conduction is the transfer the heat from one particle of matter to another particle without movement of matter itself. Then what we have to do now we have to take little bit of butter. First I am taking with the plastic spoon, little and place it into the bowl, and after that with the wooden spoon. After that with the wooden spoon. And after that with the metal spoon. Now I am going to place the pepper on each butter pat. Okay, like this I am going to place the pepper on butter. Like this you have to place. After 2 minutes, you can observe butter and metal spoon. It came down. Butter and wooden spoon, it is like that only. Butter on wooden spoon also, it's like that only. Okay, let me explain what is the science behind on this experiment. Okay. Why did the bead slide down the metal spoon faster than the wooden spoon and plastic spoon? The metal is good conductor of heat, while wood and plastic are good insulators. The conductor transfer thermal energy or heat well, while an insulator does not transfer the thermal energy heat well. Okay, thermal energy means like heat only. And like in simplest terms, what we have to tell now, heat conduction is the movement of the warmth from object to another. So we have two objects with different temperature and they came into contact, we can observe the heat or thermal conduction. In this experiment especially, we placed the spoons in the boiling water. The fast moving water particles collide with the slow moving the spoon particles. As a result of collision between the water particles and spoon particles, the particles of the spoon began to move faster and metal spoon gets hotter. The butter begins to melt and beads slide down. Bead in the sense like here we are using pepper, right? The pepper slide down from the spoon. I hope children you all like this experiment. Thank you everyone. For further information visit our website. Thank you everyone. See you. Bye.